Dorado Hills is known for its views, its beautiful custom homes, and its incredible lifestyle. Tucked away in idyllic Governor's Village is 4250 Hensley Circle, a little piece of paradise in Dorado Hills. This custom home is a masterpiece of design, offering luxury living with a touch of sophistication in a tranquil setting. An open and inviting floor plan with scenic views in every direction welcomes you to this gem where every detail has been carefully curated. The heart of the home is the open kitchen featuring contemporary stained cabinetry, stainless appliances, and a huge quartz dining island. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a large dining area that is set apart from the living room that has a cozy stone fireplace that invites you to relax and unwind, where you can soak in both sunrise and sunset views. But the real magic happens outdoors, where a tropical-inspired backyard oasis awaits. Take a dip in the newer sparkling saltwater pool, relax in the gazebo-covered patio, or enjoy a game of bocce ball on the court. With no HOA or mellow roofs, 4250 Hensley Circle offers the perfect blend of luxury and convenience. Don't miss your chance to own your piece of paradise. And the goats, they'll come visit you every spring. Call me to schedule your private showing today.